Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Dr. Khan again in front of you. Today I'm very happy to actually launch a new segment or feature on my channel, Dr. Sergi TV. And as you know that this channel was created with the intention to increase the awareness regarding the health and social issues. However, as an academic, I am feeling that I should contribute more also for the professional development of our next generation. So as a result, I'm launching this new feature on my channel, which is called Professional Development. This part primarily going to address the areas of the professional development for the student as well as for the employee, and by actually providing some kind of tips, fundamental knowledge and recommendations. Hope you will like it, you will enjoy watching my videos, and will share also among your friends for more awareness and professional development. I wish you all the good luck and best wishes for your future. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.